welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cass, and if you haven't already, you should subscribe because I said so. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I get my loose curls, my waves, because it's been highly requested for the longest time and I've never really gotten around to filming it because I think I'm just gonna stuff up. Who knows? If you're watching this video, I didn't stuff up, so yay. I talk too much, okay. So if you want to see how I get my loose waves, then keep on watching. So for my curler, everyone asks what curler I use. This is a Nume curler. I honestly have no idea what style it is, but this is what it looks like. I've had it for years now. Nume sent it to me literally 5 years ago, and I've had it since. It just says model HB212, so maybe you can look that up, but if I find it, I'll leave it in the bio. I'll do the work for you, don't worry about it. But yeah, this is the curler I use. It heats up really, really hot. Yesterday, I washed my hair, and then I just blow dried it and straightened it just a little bit. I didn't straighten it fully, but just to you know, because my hair's really thick. If your hair's not thick, you probably don't have to straighten it, but yeah, and plus my hair dries wavy anyway, so it's just easier, alright? Alright. If you don't have thick hair, you can probably just do it all out and not have to put any up, but I do, so I don't know how to explain how to do this. This is why I suck at tutorials. Okay, so you're just gonna grab a bit of hair. It doesn't matter how thick or thin it is. I go in sections, so I'll take some parts thick, some parts thin, and some parts I curl towards my face, and some parts I curl outwards. I like to make sure when I'm doing the front on my hair that I'm curling it outwards. So just the front sections, only because I feel like when I curl them inwards, they sit too much in my face and I don't like that. So then I just take it out and you're left with a little curl. So you're just gonna go around. So that one was outwards. So this one I just take another section and do it inwards. Some I hold for 20 seconds, some I hold for 10 seconds, some I hold for 8 seconds, only because I feel like that looks more beachy and just more nicer. It's not as structured. I'll just pull it out. So see, as you can see, that one's just a bit of a bend. And that's fine, I like a bit of a bend. Tonight I have an event in Sydney, so I want my hair not to have heaps of product in it now, just in case I need to touch it up later, which I'm probably gonna need to because it's a bit windy outside today. And hopefully it doesn't rain. Also, I'm trying out a new foundation. I'm trying the Tarte one. Whew. I had to mix it with another foundation because the shade was too light and I'm currently tanned, but I really like the finish of it, but I don't know, I feel like my face looks a bit orange. I don't know, let me know what you think, but how bad is it that they only release a few shades and the darkest shade isn't even that dark. I love Tarte products. I think their products are amazing and how they're vegan and cruelty free, but Tarte, it's 2018, hun. When I do my last section from the top, I like to just start from the back and work my way forward, only because I don't know why I do it, because. Just because. So I like to leave a bit of the ends out so it has that straight look. As you can see, it falls straight. At the end, I usually go in with a straightener and straighten the ends just to make them look more straight. And I feel like that looks so much more natural and just messy and effortless. And if you know me, I don't like neat hair. So like I said, this one's going towards my face and then the next piece is going to go outwards. If it was going inwards, it would just fall straight on my face. At least this kind of gives. So as you can see how it goes. I like that. That's all right. Ow! Ow! When you burn yourself, it's really hot. This is I think 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Australian. In Celsius. Oh! The amount of like blisters I've gotten from burning myself is ridiculous. Okay, we're turning that off. Oh, look, it's already, you probably can't see it because of the light, but it's already like starting to like leave a blister. That's when I put my straightener on and I just go through, so that's pretty much what I do there. And then I just go through with my fingers, super easy. And I keep my straightener on only because I'm gonna go through and like straighten the front bit. And if there's any bits, like for example, like this bit, I'm gonna curl that again only because I don't like how it is. And I don't like how it's actually going the way it's going. So I'm just gonna curl it the opposite way. Leave it for a few seconds. Voila. So while it cools down, I'm just gonna take my straightener and just straighten the front bit. Only because I don't like the front being that curly. That's just a personal preference. So then I'll just take this tiny bit. Okay, and then brush that bit like out. I usually go in with the brush sometimes and just like brush it out, but just like that. So then I go in with the Way Hair Care Matte Pomade. So, oh my god, this stuff is incredible. So I just grab a little bit on my finger, you only need the tiniest bit, put it into my fingers, and then I just like rub it in because it like heats the product up and makes it a bit oily. And I just go and put it into my roots. And then I also just put it into the ends to make the ends look a bit messier. So then I'll also spray my hair with hairspray. I'll flip my hair over and spray the back as well. I'm not gonna do that today because like I said, I'm probably gonna fix my hair up later and I don't want my hair to be too stiff, but I like to spray hairspray. If your hair's fine or thin, you probably don't need to spray any hairspray, but because my hair's thick and I'm gonna be outside tonight, that's when I'll spray it. I won't spray it now only because if it drops, I can easily fix it and spray it later. I don't want to like brush my hair later and it be all like gross, you know what I'm saying? So this is how I get my waves. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up as it does help me out a lot and I'll really appreciate it. Also remember to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!